Hello, it's Kevin. Just want to give you a quick walk around of this 84 Goldwing I've been restoring. The whole frame and everything has been painted. Just a quick recap. I went with an all black theme with a beautiful satin hot rod black on the frame and engine block, and then down here we've got a pearl here. Of course, we haven't gone through that, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a quick fire. It's a little bit different. We got it running after 10 years or 15, I don't know exactly how many, but as many old Goldwings, they just sit, people forget about them, and well, they just get forgot about. Well, this one is finally back from the grave. It had 12,000 miles on it when I started on it. No gauges on it right now, but we've got the engine completely gone back through, new belts, the carburetors have been restored and refinished, of course. New wires, new plugs, new caps, went through the ignition. Just gave her a quick carburetor synchronization. Now I got all this body work to do on these pieces here. You can see it'll be that's next. But the engine itself is running and it runs good. Sounds good. It smoked like hell when I first got it going. Sounds really good. I can't wait to ride this bike. I think it's going to run really good, so looking forward to it. Anyway, that's the 84 Goldwing Standard. Looking forward to getting it all finished up.